I already got it. All done.
Beautiful.
I'm probably gonna get the heat gun and heat all this stuff up, just so it can be nice when I go to drill it down. I'll drill it down up here. I need to move this over so when I put the when I put some 3M tape here, it'll hold it as I put in a screw too. And so it's gonna come together. You guys show them these taillights. These taillights are absolutely terrible.
They are pretty bad.
Terrible.
Get all the cracks and
all these cracks.
Stuff. Gross.
Terrible.
Super gross.
If anybody has some taillights they want to sell me on the low, feel free to send me a message or something. They broke the clip on this other side, so pretty much what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to chop it off, chop the other side off, and put an LED strip in there instead, because I don't like this just hanging down like this. The last owner did not take care of this car. Well, I mean, he took care of the engine, but didn't take care of the other parts of the entire car. Kind of sucks. Is that where I want it? There's one, and there's two. Okay.
It is messed up. They should have kept that moving, huh?
That makes it look so much better.
It does. Looks really good. Very good.
It's by Magic Drift Polyurethane Aerodynamics. Really nice thing.
I know.
Alright you guys, after we just installed that diffuser on the car, it looks a lot better. We are now going over to Ben's shop and we're going to replace the knock sensor because that's causing the misfire. I looked down into like that little tunnel that you can see through the engine, and it looks a little rough down there. So we're going to do that, fix that. We're going to head on over there, and so I'll see you when we get there. We just got to Ben's shop. Yeah, look at him.
Right there, baby. You got it, partner. You got the same passport. Forgot that. I had a nice freaking DA. What up, my guy?
You always got some fancy gadgets going on there, Nick.
All the time, partner. What the hell's this? Why the fuck is this thing for the... How many views is this shit up to?
God dang. 8,000. 8,000.
No, they said it's like the second highest
God
views
dang.
on your YouTube channel.
Third. Second highest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
I was getting a lot of messages about your car. Somebody asked about selling it.
Mine?
No, selling his. I was like, I don't know about that.
Oh, holy shit. You know how you be. Tight bees. Bees in the trap. What?
Bees in the trap.
I don't know, man. I have no plans to, because that requires pulling my timing stuff apart. Ain't happening, dog.
Just pull it all apart.
Alright! Let's just put this thing on your front. Look at that guy down there in the bird's nest. Caw-caw!
Literally. It's in a nest.
That's alright, we're gonna clean it up, make it look good. Give her some TLC, you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
I guess, let's get after it, huh?
We gotta get that video uploaded so I can put your YouTube channel in the description so people can go subscribe to you.
Well, I gotta freaking get some content up. I'm
So
so
you
close
can
to
still
having
send-
my computer done.
You can still send me the link and I can put it in the description. Alright, you guys, we found the issue. You see, there was a rat's nest down here that decided to chomp on the wires, and they chewed it right at the connector too for the knock sensor. So she's all bad.
Yep. So we're trying to figure out how we're going to repair this mess we found ourselves in now.
Yeah. Hopefully we can fix it. If not, it looks like I'll be buying a new connector or something, whatever the heck it is going on down here.
You don't really need connectors, you just need 2 new terminals.
Yeah, pretty much.
What kind of terminals do you need?
Look at that.
Do it.
All bad, dude. So we do not know if this is bad or not. We're just going to keep that to the side. We're just going to replace it with the new one. Go from there. Well, update everybody. It's for sale.
I'm sick of this thing.
I'm sick of it already. It's going for sale. First one to bring me 15,000. You can take it. So I can get myself a 370.
It's a steal of a deal.
It's a steal. Everything's been replaced in it. Just kidding. We are remaking the sensor right now for the knock sensor. Kind of sucks.
Yeah.
But we're doing something to make it a lot better, because the last owner was like, yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Obviously they knew exactly what was wrong with it, because all the wires were all melted, screwed up, chewed up. All that.
Not a good look.
Definitely not.
Not what you like to see on your race car.
No.
Let's see.
Can't wait to see it actually run over 4,000 RPM. Be nice. You guys all see this little connector right here? This isn't supposed to be there. This is not OEM. Last owner decided to splice into some stuff and decided to put it there. It's not supposed to go there. Gosh dang it. But we're getting it together. Ben's hooking it up with the wiring. Well, here's an update for all you guys. We are rewiring the knock sensor wires because they're literally bad. The last owner knew what the issue was, but obviously didn't want to tell us. So that's a big issue here. Well, we're just going to replace it with the OEM factory wiring that Ben has on deck.
Don't worry about that.
Look at all those wires everywhere.
Wires. Vacuum.
Vacuum lines, hoses, everything. Everything's back together, sadly. Well, here we go. We're gonna fire it up for the first time.
Grenade, so we just have to grab it.
Yep. Having just really small issues, as you see. We had a ground break off, so we got to fix that ground. And then we had it connected over here that wasn't plugged in because we couldn't find it. So we had to tear it back down, redo it. Round 2 of starting the car up. Oh yeah.
I don't even think it took a whole crane.
Oh.
Sweet.
No engine light.
Huh?
No engine light. I just got I got some BDC off slip. My brake pads are
Oh, I was gonna say, is that new or what?
No. The
Alright,
brake, literally the brake pad for Brembos, these suck.
Huh?
It's the brake pads that are like really bad.
Yeah. Well, did you check what your power or your brake fluid?
It's a little low, but I mean it's at the minimum. You like that clutch noise?